asphalt on site at our Dover Township Building Addition project. Since our last video, progress has been made on the new construction, with concrete being poured for footers, foundations, and slab floors, as well as the new elevator shaft. The vapor barrier and foam for the elevator were installed, and the area has been backfilled. As was noted in our last video, the elevator location was the cause of the delay due to the existing concrete located along the foundation of the 1998 portion of the building. Starting December 1st, the steel will arrive and begin to be placed. The masons will begin to lay block walls. The roof on the original building will be removed and raised to tie into the new roof over the added floor level. Meanwhile, inside the existing building, electrical, plumbing, and mechanical rough-ins for conduit, wiring, cabling, plumbing fixtures, ductwork, and HVAC heating components are being installed. This project aligns with many goals for our organization as our community has grown over the last 20 years. It will provide a secure public entrance and utility payment drop-off, as well as security features for the protection of the front office staff. Additional meeting room capacity and upgrades to the technology used are also planned. Larger locker room areas for future expansion of public works staff, additional storage space for public works, and increased office space areas were also added to the facility. Just as a reminder, while we are under construction, the front entrance is not to be used. Only left-hand exiting should occur at this location. This area is a construction area and should be avoided. Please use the entrance at Brooklyn Road to visit our office trailer located off the Eagle View Park parking lot. Utility bill payments can be made at the trailer or left in the drop box. If you need to conduct any other business with the township, visit the office trailer and our staff will meet you there. We appreciate the public's patience while we continue to operate in a construction zone. We look forward to finalizing the project in the late spring, early summer. Our next progress update will be provided with our February e-newsletter, which is available by signing up for the Savvy Citizen app. This Thanksgiving, we're pausing to express our gratitude for your patience and flexibility during our construction project. From our administrative staff to you and your family, Happy Thanksgiving!